Hello, my name is Farhad Falahian, a PIDP 3100 student, and welcome to my podcast about experiential theory, which was published in 1984 by David Cobb, an American psychologist. This theory was influenced by the work of other education theorists, including Jean Piaget, John Dewey, and Kurt Lewin. The reference of this podcast has been captured from the Adult Learning Linking Theory and Practice book by Myram and Byram. An internet website is called Practero. In this podcast, I will talk about Kolb's experiential learning theory and the roles of learners and educators. As the name says, experiential learning involves the transformation of the experience into effective learning. Cole's experiential learning theory stresses how our experience include our thoughts, emotion, and environment impact the learning process. Cole's theory defines experiential learning as four stages. One, concrete learning occurs when a learner has a new experience or interprets a previous experience in a new way. For example, a nursing student has to learn a new procedure as a part of their clinical education. Second, reflective observation. The learner reflects on a new experience to understand what it means. In our example, the nursing student might think about how they could have done the procedure better. The third, abstract conceptualization. The learner adapts the thinking or constructs new ideas based on experience and reflection. For example, the nursing student realizes they need to have all their materials ready before starting the procedure. And the fourth one, active experimentation. The learner apply their new ideas to a real work situation to test whether they work or not. Our nursing student might note how smoothly things goes consistently when they have everything ready for procedure in advance. The four stages of the Kolb's model are portrayed as an experiential learning cycle, including diverging, assimilating, converging, accommodating. Learner can enter the cycle at any time. For example, imagine a group of students are learning to use how to apply a CAD software. One student might begin the learning process by observing others using it. Another learner might start by reading about the program. Still another learner might immediately jump in and have to go at using it. Kolb explained learners have natural preference for how they use and enter the experiential learning cycle because of our hereditary equipment, our particular past life experience, and the demands of our environment. We develop a preferred way of choosing. According to him, the educator have a KERP rules, including facilitator, experts, evaluators, and coach. Educators play these roles as they help learners maximize learning by moving through the four stages of the experiential learning cycle. And according to him, the learner should have four abilities: one, concrete experience; second, reflect observation; and the third, abstract conceptualization; and the fourth, active experience. Thank you.